JAC's new flagship product, the Kunpeng ET9, made its world premiere at the 2025 China International Commercial Vehicle Show on November 10, 2025. This is not only the launch of the Kunpeng ET9, but also a powerful call for the Chinese commercial vehicle industry to move towards an era of green, efficient, and intelligent logistics. In partnership with battery industry giant CATL, the company has launched the Kunpeng ET9, a leading high-efficiency logistics vehicle brand. Kunpeng soars with its powerful and majestic wings. As the latest achievement in overcoming the performance bottleneck of commercial vehicle electrification, the Kunpeng ET9 will ride the wave of new energy commercial vehicle development, ushering in a new era of green, efficient, and intelligent logistics. With key technological innovations in 5 key areas: design, battery, motor, electronic control, and thermal management, the JAC Kunpeng ET9 addresses the current challenges faced by new energy light truck users, delivering a groundbreaking value-added experience across 6 dimensions. More time-saving, more cost-effective, more worry-free, safer, more comfortable, and more convenient. By solving 3 key challenges: mileage constraints, high costs, and low efficiency, it has become a leading brand of high-efficiency logistics vehicles. 5 industry-first technologies in styling, battery, motor, electronic control, and thermal management create an impenetrable technological moat for the Kunpeng ET9. A world-first proprietary pure electric light truck architecture and an industry-first wedge-shaped body design. An industry-first CATL exclusive Tianqing single-package constant temperature battery. An industry-first liquid turbine flat-wire high-efficiency motor. An industry-first highly integrated 7-in-1 controller. And an industry-first multi-source heat pump intelligent temperature control system, ensuring that every kilowatt-hour is used to its full potential. Verified results show that the Kunpeng ET9 provides an increased range of over 100 kilometers compared to new energy light trucks with the same battery capacity, setting an industry benchmark for high efficiency and energy savings. Based on 5 key technological innovations, the Kunpeng ET9 offers users 6 value-added experiences. More time-saving. The Kunpeng ET9 has an extended range of over 100 kilometers, requiring less frequent charging. With the dual-arm 2C supercharger, a 10-minute charge provides over 200 kilometers of range and saves over an hour of daily work. More cost-effective. The Kunpeng ET9 has lower energy consumption and saves 30,000 to 40,000 renminbi in electricity costs over 3 years compared to other products with similar capacity. More worry-free. Rigorous testing under all operating conditions for 1 million kilometers provides an 8-year/600,000 kilometer extended warranty on 3 core electrical components, a 5-year/300,000 kilometer extended oil change warranty on the maintenance-free wheel ends and rear axle. Safer. Multiple intelligent assistance systems, including AEB emergency braking, FCW forward collision warning, and LDW lane departure warning, provide 360-degree visibility from all angles. More comfortable. The 2170 mm wide cab with an interior height of 1850 mm and a flat floor provides a spacious driving and handling environment. More convenient. The vehicle can be remotely controlled via the truck driver app, making it easier to operate. The Kunpeng ET9 also offers a highly attractive value warranty plan, where the first 200 customers can take advantage of 4 exclusive benefits. An 8-year or 600,000 kilometer extended warranty on the triple electrical system. An additional 1-year warranty on standard components in addition to the original factory warranty, and a free professional full vehicle electrical system inspection service. And will provide free towing support nationwide within 3 years.